considering we're in a bear market, we got to pay attention to the good news. We have to highlight the wins, right? In this bear market right now, ADA now listed on Robinhood, getting exposure to 23 million users. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Just in, ADA added to Robinhood. This was like a little over an hour ago. My neighbor texted me a screenshot. He got a notification from Robinhood that ADA was listed. So I then tweeted this, and it really is good news, everybody. It's big news. Look at this. Robinhood enables Cardano ADA trading for its 23 million users. This is going to be a quick update on this news, but I want to say something. I'm sure there's people out there that are like, whatever. Exchanges are the worst. Not a big deal. Get your ADA off of exchanges. Kind of like a negative sentiment towards it. And I get the whole thing about get your ADA, get your crypto off of exchanges. I agree with that. I understand it. I get it. But we have to take a step back for a second and especially step outside of virtue signaling in the crypto space and just look at reality. Exchanges are the biggest doorway for new users to enter into crypto. And there are a lot of people. There are 23 million users in Robinhood. 23 million users in Robinhood. And that is a doorway for people to get exposure to ADA. Now, here's what's cool about it. Once people get exposure to new cryptos, they start kind of taking interest in that crypto. They start becoming more aware of articles that are coming out about that crypto. They start becoming more aware about the fundamentals, and then they start learning. And then they come across videos on YouTube where they start learning about the ecosystem. And then they start learning about things of, hey, get your crypto off of exchanges, put it into a cold wallet, right? So it's a learning process, but exchanges are extremely, extremely important for the adoption of crypto. And in this case, it is the adoption of ADA. Robinhood stated that the listing is due to demand from users, with trading in the token expected to begin immediately. The platform said in a tweet on September 1st. And it goes on, amid the ongoing crypto bear market, the listing is yet to inspire any excitement among ADA investors. Let's realize something. We're in a bear market. Crypto's down. Like, news like this isn't going to move ADA. And news in any crypto is really not moving that crypto much, right? Unless it's something extremely ridiculously out of the blue, monumental of some sort, right? We're in a bear market and cryptos are moving. Cryptos are moving on the macro with the equity markets. And so here's ADA though. We have ADA holding up in this bottom formation right now. Not going to do technical analysis, but it's not a surprise. I just want to mention this and say this. It's not a surprise like ADA is not pumping because of this news. I would not expect that to happen. But this is really, really good news for ADA. Notably, the listing of ADA comes ahead of Cardano's Vassal hard fork scheduled to be rolled out later this month. The upgrade is considered bullish and will introduce more scalability to the platform. So here we have the Vassal hard fork, as this article just mentioned. We have this ADA listing, and I just want to point this out too. Most of the listed tokens have been partly a result of community pressure, considering that Robinhood's support for different assets has partly resulted in the rally of the respective cryptocurrencies. So community pressure. This is what's funny. ADA puts a lot of pressure on, if there are exchanges, ADA holders, I should say, put a lot of pressure on exchanges. I think of Gemini. Gemini still yet to list ADA. I think a lot of that has to do with special interests of Gemini, particularly in Ethereum. So it makes sense. I'm not surprised. But at the end of the day, everybody, we're in the bear market. This is good news. If you're an ADA holder, it's just ADA is still very early stage. Cardano is still early stage, right? What is it, like a $15 billion market cap right now? And it has so much potential to grow. And there's going to be these little stepping stones along that growth. And with those stepping stones is continued exposure to millions of people across the world. And so, when we track the story of Cardano, we have to track these data points. It's not just the charts, obviously. There's other fundamentals. And right now, synergistic with this news is the Vassal hard fork news. It's this nice good news all around for Cardano in the middle of the bear market. And I know a lot of people out there just want those gains, right? We want to see the news pump ADA, but it's just, that's not the environment of crypto right now. So I think on the macro, this is going to help ADA, as we always say about Vassal hard fork. The same is true here. So wanted to just do a quick update video on that. I appreciate you coming by. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. God bless.